In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with Twilio. By the end, you'll have your Lovable workspace securely linked to your Twilio account so you can use Twilio services right inside Lovable. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your home dashboard, which is the right place to start. From here, look for the Settings option, typically in the main navigation. Click into Settings, then open the Connectors section. This is where Lovable centralizes all third-party integrations, so you can manage them in one place. In the Connectors view, use the search box to type Twilio. When Twilio appears in the results, select it. You'll see a connection form asking for 3 pieces of information: your Twilio account SID, your standard API key SID, and your API key secret. These are credentials provided by Twilio that let Lovable authenticate on your behalf. Keep in mind that these values are sensitive, so treat them like passwords and never share them publicly. To make this easier, click the Get Value button shown next to the fields. That link takes you to the correct area in Twilio. In your Twilio console, your account SID is visible on the main dashboard. Copy that value carefully, avoid extra spaces, and switch back to Lovable to paste it into the account SID field. Next, return to Twilio and navigate to the API keys section, which is linked at the bottom area referenced by the Get Value prompt. There, locate your standard API key. You'll need 2 things from it: the API key ID and the API key secret. Copy this ID and paste it into Lovable. Then copy the secret and paste it into the secret field in Lovable. A quick tip: Twilio only shows the API key secret at creation time. If you can't see it, you may need to retrieve it from wherever your team securely stores it. Always keep this secret protected. With all 3 fields filled, account SID, API key SID, and API key secret, give everything a quick review for accuracy. Even a single missing character can cause authentication errors. When you're confident the details are correct, click Connect. That's it. Your Lovable account is now linked to Twilio. If you run into any issues, double-check that you copied each value exactly and that you're using the right Twilio project. Also, ensure there are no leading or trailing spaces in any field. Once connected, you're ready to use Twilio features through Lovable without any extra setup.